In Dubai, where the unthinkable is made possible, a resort that pushes the boundaries of luxury and imagination has just been unveiled as its new masterpiece. With the best architects, designers, and artists in the world in charge, this unrivaled location is poised to reinvent the modern resort experience. This mega project is the epitome of luxury, featuring the most sumptuous penthouse in the city, as well as private infinity pools with breathtaking views of the Arabian Gulf and Dubai's city skyline. Moreover, the resort also guarantees to provide guests with services and amenities that are genuinely extraordinary. Prepare to be amazed and to experience the height of luxury. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and share it. This means a lot to us since that is the best way to support us here at LuxCraze. The Royal Atlantis Resort and Residences is Dubai's newest luxury landmark, building on the popularity of Atlantis the Palm. The Royal Atlantis, which is situated on the Crescent of the Palm in Dubai, offers some of the most opulent residences in the world, including the sky courts, penthouses, and garden suites. It has 43 stories and a total area of 1,500 to 17,000 square feet. Its highest point is a peak of 185 meters above sea level. This $1.4 billion mega project, created by the Kerzner Group, will share 63 hectares of prime ocean front with the Palm. There won't be much space separating the Royal Atlantis from the original Atlantis Hotel. Over 2 kilometers of beautiful privately owned beachfront are shared by the two properties, although only one side is open to visitors. On one side, the famed skyline of downtown Dubai can be seen along the length of the Palm Jumeirah, and on the other hand, you have the turquoise seas of the Gulf. Long regarded as one of the most coveted areas for penthouses, the Palm Jumeirah has seen the majority of Dubai's most recent multi-million-dollar residential transactions. The Army at One Palm Building sold a penthouse for a little over $27.5 million 4 years ago, making it the most expensive penthouse ever sold in Dubai. Now, the most expensive penthouse at the Royal Atlantis will sell for close to $50 million. The 35th, 36th, and 37th levels of the building are occupied by this penthouse. On January 21 and 22, a lavish invitation-only event with VIP guests and A-list celebrities was held to celebrate the grand opening of the Regal Atlantis Resort and Residences. Beyoncé performed a fantastic concert as part of the event. The artist reportedly received a staggering $24 million for her performance at the Palatial Atlantis Grand Unveiling. Do you think $24 million is too little or too much for a single concert? Comment your thoughts down below. The Royal Atlantis boasts a number of firsts in terms of design. The sleek and modern facade was created by New York City's Kohn Pedersen Fox Associates, and Sybil de Margerie of Paris skillfully arranged the interiors of each luxe inhabitant. Inside the foyer, there is a beautiful sculpture named Drops that depicts the first drop of rain in a barren desert. This is inspired by the priceless commodity of water. A flowing water feature with fire that erupts every few seconds greets you as you enter the resort from all sides. Firefalls is the name of this particular piece, which consists of 2 highly reflective glass-clad walls, rippling water, and encircling programmable fire plumes. 2 towers make up the Royal Atlantis, one of which serves as a resort and the other as housing. The design reevaluates how people often think about the iconic tower and its place in the continually expanding city skyline. Only the building focuses on extending the concept of indoor to outdoor living, rather than on form. This concept is expanded vertically into a megastructure that is 500 meters long and 178 meters tall that resembles a stack of separate bricks. The building is similar to playing that Jenga tower, where players carefully remove 1 block at a time from a tower made of 54 blocks. However, engineers and builders must ensure that none of the building's blocks collapse. The individual series of blocks creates what appears to be a smaller and more intimate setting. The spaces between them are transformed into outdoor courts that are naturally ventilated, shaded, and have amazing views of the Gulf and the surrounding landscape. The terraces are connected by a short bridge. This frames a great gateway in between the two buildings and gives the Royal Atlantis its recognizable silhouette. Poles, couches, cabanas, and other facilities punctuate the sky bridge, transforming it into a lush oasis. The structure's double-curved facade, which resembles an S shape, is a key feature of the architectural design. Outside vistas unmatched by any other home in Dubai are created by the beautiful composition and stepped profile. The resort's pools are yet another feature worth noting. Large raised terraces with each having their own outdoor pool and artistically designed gardens are features of the opulent apartments. The property has 92 pools overall, including 22 infinity pools. Private infinity pools hanging 90 meters above the ground are featured in 44 of the suites and premium penthouses. With an infinity pool that overlooks the Arabian Gulf and Dubai skyline, the Palm will transform entertainment in Dubai. Construction on the Royal Atlantis started in 2014 and work on the site started in 2016. And it was expected to be finished by the end of 2020, but due to the pandemic, this had some delays. Are there any architectural suggestions that come to your mind? Comment these suggestions down below and let us know. The end of 2020 would have been an ideal date since this would be in line with the Dubai Expo, which took place in October 2020. However, the resort's completion was delayed due to the aforementioned pandemic and due to the build's technical difficulties. As part of a joint venture with Sungyong Engineering and Construction, who is the solely owned Middle East subsidiary of Belgium's Basics Group, erected the Dubai Hotel on behalf of Kerzner International Resorts. Although the outcome is breathtaking, creating the Royal Atlantis was said to be difficult. The intricate structure of the skyscraper needed a creative engineering strategy that combined post-tension concrete construction with concrete steel. A total of 150,000 square meters of marble, 5,500 tons of structural steel, 130,000 square meters of glass, and around 45,000 tons of steel rebar were used. The idea of the two buildings and the sky bridge joining them required reinforced concrete in order to be realized. The resort and the residence's internal and exterior spaces total over 90,000 square meters of glass. This is equal to 10 FIFA football fields. Additionally, the project was constructed with the most up-to-date sustainable building techniques, which served to lessen its negative environmental effects and boost its energy efficiency. The 231 opulent apartments, 693 hotel rooms, and 102 suites in this 43-story cantilever edifice all have views of the Arabian Sea and the Palm Jumeirah. The 25,000 square foot 5-bedroom penthouse in Dubai is the most expensive, with an asking price of $49 million. It includes 3 stories and 2 outdoor terraces with pools. At the Royal Atlantis, visitors and residents will have access to a range of upscale facilities and services, including private parking, a 24-hour concierge, a fitness center available only to residents, a spa, both indoor and outdoor swimming pools, and upscale shops catering to those who enjoy luxury goods and are known for their innovative food and beverage concepts. Do you think they're lacking in any other facilities? If you do, leave your suggestions down in the comment section below. The Royal Atlantis will have 17 brand new top-notch restaurants run by star chefs who have won awards. The distinctive and thrilling activities that the Royal Atlantis provides its visitors are one of its key points. The resort has a water park and an aquarium that guests may interact with. Sharks, rays, and sea turtles can all be found in this aquarium. Along with these activities, visitors can engage in kayaking, paddleboarding, and jet skiing. Overall, the development of the Dubai's Atlantis Resort and Residences was a sizable and ambitious undertaking that called for the collaboration of numerous teams and contractors. The resort's distinctive design and use of cutting-edge construction techniques made it a difficult project, but the finished product is a lavish and magnificent resort that provides guests an amazing experience. Please let us know in the comment section below if you plan on visiting this insane mega resort. We appreciate your time and hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to our channel here at LuxCraze to see more related content. See you in the next video.